And one more question, will there be any valid, validity kind of thing that suppose if a student had chosen to, probably, do a course for the basics. So once he or she subscribes for that particular, session or for the course, so that course will be available for that student for like for lifetime, or it has some limited period of time that once he has completed the session or the course, so and he is
Yeah, you
certified
can
kind of
check
thing, he
every.
cannot access after that. I mean, I don't know if it is going to work like that.
I'm not sure about it. Sorry, can you help me? Because in my with my lessons, I'm not sure about the capacity
Yes,
of
I can answer that.
storing this. Okay, I'm not sure about I know that for a certain time you store the information, but I don't know if if it expires or not. Okay, so maybe Shari can answer to this.
Yes, for sure. Yes, the answer is very simple, and the question two is very simple. If we talk about recorded lessons and multimedia material, so it can be valid for lifetime until you get the certificate. There's no problem. Okay, but what we are doing and what we are planning, in terms of teaching, it is one-to-one or direct face-to-face teaching, be it a small group or one-to-one personalized classes. All right. So the teacher to student instructions in live classrooms are limited. Okay, but the study material, for example, here you can see that this question and answer, which one of these is the suitcase, these are multimedia course material which is available on our website, and it would be available for you if you have subscribed to our course. It would be available for you for say like 6 months till you go to another, because we will be keep changing the key of the student. For example, if you are in A1, your key would be 101 A1, and you would be able to enter the course material for that. Once you finish that, you will enter into the second one. But if you leave that course and you go out of the training, you can, for a definite period, say 3 months to 6 months, come back and see the course material and the recorded classes, but the teacher would not be available to give you classes.
Okay, and if somebody is leaving in between, they can restart the course from the place where they left. I mean, after some time, if they want to take a gap and they want to restart, so they can restart from the place where they left, right?
Look, in this, what happens is you can restart it, but using the recorded teaching lessons. For example, if we are doing classes for 30 days in August and you missed 5 classes, you can go back to those lessons in recorded form and come back to, the date, up to date lessons. But nobody would be there to guide you in that way. Because we are talking about a different concept. We are talking about live teaching. We are not talking about recorded teaching. Recorded teachings are very, very economic. You don't have to pay, but you actually don't have anybody who would guide you. Here we are talking about that somebody would be there to guide you and giving you classes in a virtual classroom. That is, the teacher would come, students would come online, and both of them would be face to face for a live session. It is like going to a school class. All right. And if we have to offer you recorded classes, it's going to be really, really very cheap, and it can be recorded and can be thrown, so nobody has time to actually do the classes without a teacher. And there are a lot of advantages when you have a teacher. That's why we are talking about live teaching. It has certain value, okay? Because learning a language with an instructor and a native instructor like Noria, for example, in her own country, or Raquel from Spain, again, they are giving you, they are teaching you, instructing you, guiding you in live, in real time. Okay, that's an advantage. You can anyway get any information from where which is recorded, and it's free of cost. So live classes are of value, and recorded are, yes, you can go back to them, see them and use them, but there's no value attached to that.
Sure, Sharik, that clarifies. And I see in the chat box there is a question coming from Priyanka, and she's saying, asking if there is any certificate issued for the course that the person is doing.
Yes, we are coming to that. I believe I have to wrap up this session because of the time frame, and Nuria has well explained her experiences, her methodologies. Here in We Spanish School, what we are doing is we are joining with the students in live classes. This is nothing like you take a recorded course and you see session 1 sometimes, session 2 sometimes, you stop it, you don't see it, or you see it sometime. No, we are talking about disciplined, well-structured, well-organized classes. Be it private, you can be flexible about the time. You can talk to your teacher and say, okay, not 10 o'clock, we will start 11 o'clock in the morning, or maybe let's do it 7 o'clock in the evening. If the teacher is free, she can accommodate, he or she can accommodate it, but no way it is a recorded session. This is live teaching, all right? And again, we have a lot of multimedia exercises and material which is available for practice. That is 24/7. You can go to the website, enter your key, student key, and you can do exercises. For example, you have writing exercises, you have speaking exercises, and the teacher here says Miguel has corrected your Spanish writing exercise. Then that material would be sent to the teacher, and teacher would do a check and send to you the feedback. Okay, that's for the students. And again, here the last point is never miss a class. This means, for example, there are 6 people in the class and we have a live session. We do the class. Even if 4 people are coming, 2, for example, for some reason are unable to join, they can get a copy of the recorded session and they can do it, so that in the coming class they can come with the knowledge of the class that we did. So you are not going to leave or miss any class. Again, the benefit is sometimes your telephone rings and you are unable to pay attention to what the teacher is saying. So in that way, you can always come back to the recorded session and go to what the teacher has said in that particular lesson. So that's really helpful for you. And about the conversation practice also, the pronunciation of the teacher is from a native country, so you are able to hear him or her in many ways. This is the certificate that we are providing. And it is, if you do a 90% of your attendances in live sessions, we are going to give you the certificate. For this, these are the things where you can participate, and we are finishing here because the time is not permitting us. Thank you very much for participating here, and this would be available on YouTube. Thank you very much. Namaste. Have a nice day.
Thank you, everybody.
Namaste.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Nuria and Sharik. Bye.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bye.
Same here.